Top 5 foods that boost brain power after 60. Most people over 60 assume that forgetfulness, brain fog, or difficulty concentrating is just part of getting older. But what if that wasn't true? What if your brain actually had the ability to stay sharp, fast, and focused, no matter your age? And the real problem wasn't your age at all. It was what's missing from your diet? One thing I've learned, it's this. Your brain doesn't just age. It reacts to what you feed it. And here's the exciting part. After 60, your brain is still wired for repair, renewal, and regeneration. But only if it's getting the right support. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 foods that supercharge brain health after 60, based on real science, not trends. And I'll also show you why most seniors are unknowingly starving their brains of exactly what it needs to stay vibrant. So if you've been feeling mentally sluggish, forgetting names, or struggling to focus, stick around. Because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to eat to boost memory, sharpen focus, and protect your brain from age-related decline. Ready? Let's dive in. Let's dive into one of nature's most powerful brain boosters, blueberries. These tiny, vibrant berries aren't just delicious. They're packed with compounds that can sharpen your memory, fight inflammation, and protect your brain as you age. If you've ever felt forgetful or foggy, especially after 60, blueberries might just be the simple superfood you need to add to your daily routine. As we get older, our brain naturally faces challenges like slower recall, decreased focus, and even memory loss. But the good news? The right foods can literally slow down or even reverse some of these changes. Blueberries are especially important because they contain antioxidants that directly target the aging process in your brain cells. For seniors, this means better mental clarity, sharper thinking, and a lower risk of cognitive decline, all without complicated supplements or expensive treatments. Here's the catch. Without enough antioxidant protection, your brain gets attacked by oxidative stress and inflammation. This damage worsens over time, causing your neurons to misfire and your memory to slip. The more this happens, the harder it becomes for your brain to heal itself, which leads to a vicious cycle of decline. Blueberries break this cycle by flooding your brain with flavonoids, natural compounds that neutralize harmful free radicals and calm inflammation, giving your brain the boost it desperately needs to recover and stay sharp. How do you know if your brain needs a blueberry boost? It might start subtly, forgetfulness, like misplacing keys or struggling to recall names. You could feel mentally foggy, finding it harder to focus during conversations or tasks. Some people experience slower thinking or difficulty multitasking. There's also the feeling of being more easily overwhelmed or stressed. In seniors especially, these signs could be early warnings of cognitive decline. Muscle weakness or fatigue sometimes accompanies this because your brain and body energy are linked. If you notice any of these symptoms creeping in, adding blueberries to your diet might help turn things around before more serious issues develop. Cognitive decline isn't the only threat when your brain lacks antioxidant support. Low intake of brain-protective foods like blueberries can accelerate aging in multiple systems. For instance, chronic inflammation in the brain can spill over into your cardiovascular system, increasing the risk of strokes and heart disease. Studies show that flavonoids in blueberries also improve blood flow to the brain, which supports healthy heart function and reduces artery stiffness. Inflammation can also affect your eyes, raising the risk of diseases like macular degeneration. And since brain and gut health are connected, poor brain antioxidant defenses can even impact your digestive system and immune function. In short, the benefits of blueberries go well beyond memory. They're a full-body brain and heart protector that fights the hidden damage caused by aging and stress. Blueberries contain powerful antioxidants called flavonoids, specifically anthocyanins, which give them their deep blue color. These compounds cross the blood-brain barrier and directly target neurons, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. This helps improve brain plasticity, the ability of your brain cells to form new connections, which is essential for learning and memory. Flavonoids also increase blood flow, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to brain tissues. Research shows that these effects enhance short-term memory, improve executive function, and slow cognitive decline. Simply put, blueberries help keep your brain cells healthy, active, and ready to perform at their best every day. Getting blueberries into your diet is easy and delicious. Fresh blueberries are the best choice because they contain the highest antioxidant levels. You can sprinkle a handful on your morning oatmeal, add them to yogurt, or toss them into smoothies for a sweet brain boost. Frozen blueberries are a great option too. Just make sure they're unsweetened. If fresh berries aren't available, dried blueberries can work, but watch out for added sugars. You can also try blueberry jam made from natural fruit without added sugars. On average, a cup of fresh blueberries provides about 25% of the daily recommended antioxidant intake, making them a potent and tasty brain food you can enjoy every day. For a gourmet twist, try mixing blueberries into a spinach and walnut salad drizzled with a light vinaigrette. This combo adds healthy fats and extra antioxidants. Another idea is blueberry and almond overnight oats, which give you a filling breakfast packed with brain-friendly nutrients. For dessert, you can whip up a blueberry chia pudding topped with dark chocolate shavings, combining the flavonoids from both blueberries and chocolate for an indulgent brain boost. These meals not only taste amazing, but also make getting your brain's superfoods easy and enjoyable. While eating fresh blueberries is best, some people prefer supplements for convenience or when fresh fruit isn't available. Blueberry extract supplements provide concentrated flavonoids, but quality varies widely. Look for products standardized for anthocyanin content to ensure you're getting an effective dose. Be cautious with low-quality supplements, which may contain fillers and less active compounds. Typical doses range from 100 to 500 milligrams of extract daily. Another option is combined berry supplements that include blueberries along with other antioxidant-rich fruits like acai and elderberry. These can provide broader support, but always check the label. Remember, supplements should never replace a healthy diet, but can be a helpful boost when fresh options are limited. To maximize the benefits of blueberries, avoid habits and foods that increase oxidative stress or inflammation in your body. Excess sugar consumption can negate the antioxidant effects of blueberries by causing chronic inflammation and blood sugar spikes. Processed foods, fried items, and refined carbs also increase inflammation and oxidative damage. Smoking and excessive alcohol intake damage brain cells and reduce antioxidant levels. Additionally, high stress and poor sleep hamper your brain's ability to repair itself, making it harder for flavonoids to work their magic. So, pairing blueberries with a lifestyle that minimizes these brain drainers will give you the best chance to keep your mind sharp and healthy. Your brain deserves the best fuel, and blueberries offer a simple, natural way to protect and boost your mental power as you age. Incorporate these little blue gems into your daily meals and watch your focus, memory, and energy improve. Ready to give your brain the boost it needs? Start with just a handful of blueberries today and share your favorite ways to enjoy them in the comments below. Let's keep our minds sharp together. Number 2. Fatty fish, the omega-3 powerhouse your brain is begging for. When it comes to brain fuel after 60, nothing beats fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, mackerel, they're not just delicious, they're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA, the exact type your brain cells are made of. Think of DHA like motor oil for your brain. Without enough of it, things slow down, memory fades, and focus starts to slip. Harvard Medical School found that seniors who eat fatty fish just twice a week perform better on memory and attention tests, and even have slower brain aging. Why? Because omega-3s strengthen cell membranes in the brain, support communication between neurons, reduce inflammation that can damage brain tissue over time. Best sources: wild-caught salmon, especially sockeye. Sardines, don't underestimate them. They're a superfood. Mackerel and anchovies. Easy meal ideas. Baked salmon with lemon and dill. Sardine salad with olive oil, avocado, and greens. Mackerel patties with herbs and garlic. If cooking fish isn't your thing, consider a high-quality omega-3 supplement, but make sure it includes at least 250 to 500 milligrams of DHA and EPA combined, and is molecularly distilled to remove toxins. Bottom line, fatty fish aren't just heart healthy, they're brain boosters. And if you're over 60, they're one of the smartest additions you can make to your diet. Number 3. Walnuts, the brain's crunchy secret weapon. If there's one snack that truly earns the title brain food, it's walnuts. These brain-shaped nuts aren't just a coincidence. They're packed with nutrients that directly support cognitive performance. What makes walnuts so powerful? They're loaded with vitamin E, omega-3s, and polyphenol antioxidants, a trio that works together to protect brain cells from oxidative stress, reduce inflammation in neural tissue, support neurotransmitter function and memory formation. A clinical trial in the Journal of Nutrition, Health and Aging found that older adults who ate walnuts regularly scored higher on tests of memory, focus, and mental flexibility. Their thinking speed and decision-making were notably sharper. And here's the kicker. These benefits appeared without making any other major lifestyle changes. How to use walnuts daily. Grab a small handful, about 7 whole walnuts, as a mid-morning or afternoon snack. Toss chopped walnuts over your salad for a crunchy, brain-boosting texture. Mix them into oatmeal or Greek yogurt with cinnamon and berries. For even more impact, soak walnuts overnight. This improves digestibility and enhances nutrient absorption. If you're over 60 and serious about keeping your brain sharp, make walnuts a daily habit. One small handful a day could mean the difference between brain fog and brain firepower. Number 4. Leafy greens, the brain's green superfuel. Want to protect your brain as you age? Don't overlook what's on your plate, especially when it comes to greens. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and other leafy vegetables may seem simple, but they're actually power-packed allies for your brain. What makes greens so powerful? Leafy greens are rich in brain-nourishing nutrients like vitamin K, crucial for brain cell structure and function. Lutein, a powerful antioxidant that concentrates in the brain and eyes. Folate, essential for mood regulation and memory. What the research says. One of the most compelling studies comes from the Rush Memory and Aging Project. Researchers followed seniors for years and found this. Those who ate leafy greens daily had brains that functioned up to 11 years younger than those who rarely ate them. Yes, 11 years younger, just from adding greens to meals consistently. Easy ways to eat more greens. Sauté spinach or kale in olive oil with garlic as a side dish. Toss baby greens into smoothies for a hidden nutrient boost. Mix Swiss chard into soups, omelets, or stir-fries for added color and brain protection. Pair greens with a healthy fat, like olive oil or avocado, to increase absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A and K. So if you're serious about staying sharp and slowing mental decline, don't skip your greens. Just a handful a day could mean a younger, quicker, more vibrant mind, no matter your age. Number 5. Dark chocolate, sweet medicine for your mind. Yes, this one might surprise you. Chocolate isn't just a guilty pleasure, it's also a brain-boosting powerhouse. But not just any chocolate. We're talking about dark chocolate, with 70% cacao or higher. What makes it brain food? Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, a type of antioxidant that enhances blood flow to the brain, focus and concentration, memory and learning. These flavonoids stimulate neural activity, improve neuroplasticity, and even support the growth of new brain cells. Yes, your brain can still grow after 60. Microscope science-backed benefits. According to researchers at Johns Hopkins University, consuming dark chocolate in moderate amounts can lead to better memory retention, improved mood, and even faster problem solving. One study found that participants who had dark chocolate before a mental task performed significantly better, thanks to increased oxygen to the brain. Mood boosting too. Dark chocolate also encourages the release of endorphins and serotonin, your brain's feel-good chemicals. That means it doesn't just help you think better, it can help you feel better, too. How to enjoy it smartly. Stick to 1 to 2 small squares, about 20 to 30 grams, per day. Choose chocolate with minimal sugar and no artificial additives. Pair with nuts or berries for an antioxidant-rich snack. One small warning. More isn't always better. Overdoing it can backfire with extra sugar and calories. So think of dark chocolate as a daily brain-boosting ritual, not a dessert binge. So next time you reach for a sweet treat, make it a square of dark chocolate. And know you're doing something smart for your mind and satisfying for your soul. Your brain is your most powerful tool, and the beautiful truth is, it's never too late to sharpen it. Whether you're 60 or 90, your brain can still grow, adapt, and thrive when you give it the right fuel. These 5 superfoods aren't just tasty. They're scientifically proven to protect memory, improve focus, and support long-term brain health. Add them to your daily routine, and you're not just eating well. You're investing in a sharper, more vibrant future. Now it's your turn. Which one of these brain boosters will you try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. I read every one. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Every day, I share real, science-backed tips to help you stay mentally strong, focused, and full of life, no matter your age. Remember, every small choice adds up. Every meal is a chance to build a better brain. So let's make every bite count, for clarity, energy, and a life filled with purpose. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay sharp and stay well.